some bird hunting, but somebody request one of the rabbit them, you see me? Him pay for it already, so I say, you to kill it and carry it in film, you see me? So right now, I will get to that before I go on the hunting. So just come look what I want, man. Come in, man. Come man, come looking at the food, man. See them there? You have a next section over there, so, and you have some over there, so. You see me? You see it? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Look on a while, you know. See them? See him? Yeah, man, I think we are going to deal with today, so just stay tuned. Yeah, much of the rabbit there, you see it? Starting out, man, you see me? Yeah, man, when I subscribe, I request on a rabbit there, so we say, yo, man, but match up and you see it? Yeah, man, right there, right now. Nicer than a doll still. You see it? Almost done now, you see me? Yeah. Man, I am this. I'm thinking I'm big on this. Don't clean up here now, you see me? Yeah, man. So the rabbit is here, you know? So what we are going to do now, we just wash him off and then we put him up, you see me? Because tomorrow the brother will get the rabbit, so we just kill him and clean him up for him, you see me? Yeah man, I mean I go for my mission now, so you don't know anything. Yeah man. So this is how you cut and prepare a rabbit, you see me? Yeah man, but we tell you so we are going to have a video where we are going to jerk some rabbit, some jerk rabbit, yeah man. You don't know yardman style. Yeah. You know how much a piece of them I don't Murray? You know, you're 2,000, you can't look funny, you see me? Yeah man, I get the bag now. Yeah. Yeah peeps, I don't know me there in a hidden boss me and Tay there. And basically today we are going to do some hunting and we are going to make him get an experience, right? You see it? So you stay tuned for that one, you see me?
Make sure you subscribe to the channel and like up the video and go over to my channel, you see me? Tay Comedy TV.
Yeah man, you don't know say me there, you don't know a hidden boss and we have Tay today comedy, you see me? Yeah man, and here what I want to do, I want to go over my channel that a Tay Comedy, you see me? And left the link. Yeah man, so you can go over there go check it out, you see me? But basically now what we are going to do, we are go over there and we are going to hunt and we are going to teach him how to hunt, you see me? So just stay tuned because that one is going to be a banger. Yeah peeps, I don't know where you're going on, man. I hidden boss, you know, and Tay Comedy. Yeah man, I got this to play now, you know? I like the money on them out here. Yeah, man. Now put some in your bag in a man, it's later, you know? Yeah man. See them peep? Jamaican apple them, you see me? Yeah man. sorry. Sorry, man. You know, see, I rock in the door. Picture one. One next time, chicken bites. You don't know you go eat in Boston, man. I want to look to a play, you know. It seems like I be a rat in the tree right now, man. You don't with me. Come on, look at it. Don't catch him on my boss. The man of people, they don't know where to go. I Jamaican apple, you see it? Nice and lovely, yeah? People. Well, I want the kind of get to still, but I don't know where they are seeing me, you see me? And I'm going to show you what I want. I teach him how to hunt. You see me if you use this. So you don't know where you go. So come in. Today, you know, I tell you, I teach how to hunt bird today, you see me? So I just take couple shots out of it and give me and make him start doing things, you see me? So basically I'll be there and me and Tay, because you don't know Tay have him channel, you know. Remember, you know, to go over there, you know, and Tay Comedy, you know, and subscribe, you know. Yeah, man, so basically him, I will learn how to bust it, gun today, you see me? So come in, please. If you don't know as many tell you, say I know me a own today, I tell you about it. So yeah, give me good right now. I will just tell you what to do and give me instruction. You see me? Yeah man, you don't know it. You have to hold it firm, you see me? You can't use it. Yeah, hold it and dry it. Just stick, you see me? Yeah. Look out that, you see me? I'll show you. Bird, I just feel nice and neat, you see me? When you get a good one, you just let it go, you see me? So all you need to do is just that, you see me? Yeah, man, so come in, I tell you how to do it, you know? Go and eat some apple, you know? And then these sections just fire, see it? I want you to shoot something in the video. Tell you this, see if you can shoot him, you see me? Yeah man, come in there, you can shoot him. You have to bounce it fast, man. You have wait too long. Eat one more for me. Yo, let's all get it, man. Let's all get it. Yeah, there again. You see that, people? Yeah, man, he might get there, man. He might get there, you see it? Yeah, man, we are going to look again and see if we find nothing. Because you don't know, say, curfew time about now, so we can't stay too long in the bush again. Because we have places to go, you see me? What's coming? People ain't bird a while, you know? While, me I tell you. Yeah, people, they don't know eating boss again and say, I'm going good no so. I'm going good, man. But we there same way. Oh, man. Yo! You did the same way? Yeah, man. You did it, man. Right. Jesus, so green. Hey, people, if I hear about them bird, rabbit red breast. Yeah, man. They nearly shoot him, you know. The trees are green, you can't see him because it's just like the tree, you know? Let's go eat that one. Come here. Yeah, man, good shot, man. See two after him again. Look, Kira. What's coming? What is that? And people right now, as you can see, you know, there me and Teddy, and basically we don't get nothing so far, you see me? Yeah. But you don't know we there still, and basically that video was about teaching Tay how to hunt bird, you see me? So him kind of get the hang of it, you know, so you see, we're going to do a video with me and him, two we are going to slingshot and thing, and we are on some rapid hunting, you see me? So we look out for that video there. But you see, until them time there,
remember to share up the channel and thing, you see me?
yeah, man, remember to share up the channel and like and subscribe. And remember, say Film channel, I got there in the description. So remember, say if you go over Film channel and pray, because you have some nice thing over there, some nice content, you see me? So until them time, people, you don't know where you go. We out.